Hi guys, in this video I'm going to replace this charging port. This one in particular, as you look, if we heat, a lot of small components are going to fall off the board and we are going to end up and damage this board. So what we need to do, we need to use solder and we are going to remove this. We're going to use solder all over this board. We're going to remove it. So I'm gonna connect all the solder together. So when we heat, so there we go. We are coming off. Just keep heating. So guys, we are off. We are off, and that's how we remove this bolt, by using solder and just a soldering iron. And as you can see with the board, everything is on it. We have some small components at the back, including this IC. Everything is still there. So we're going to clean up and then we're going to install the new ports. So guys, so far you can see that we remove we clear the hole. We're going to remove the adhesive. We're going to remove the hole. We're going to remove all this solder for the pins. Yeah, remove them. Remove them. So guys, we just removed the port successfully. We just need to clean that up with some rubbing alcohol. So I just want you to have a look at what we're doing. You can see that the holes are cleared, and also if you look at the back, you can see all the small components at the back there as well. So what I think we need to do, we need to remove the solder from the back as well, from the back of the hole. That will be very helpful for us. So guys, we actually cleared up the holes a bit more, and I need to use some solder paste. So let me get more paste. So just want you to see those pins as we do them over. There's actually 5 of them. So we just do over those spots. And as we did them over, we just clean this off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in place like that. And just to be on the good side, I'm going to give it a little heat. So that we can get the port to be more settled. If not, we will have to clean out the hole thoroughly. You want to heat and you want to push down. Just like that. Okay guys, all we have to do now is to, let me show you, is to remove the unwanted solder and solder the pins at the back. So let's go. Removing this unwanted solder. We're going to solder the pins so you can see we're done. If it happens that you use rubbing alcohol, you have to ensure that you dry all of the rubbing alcohol off and that there's no trace of any alcohol inside of the ports. So we are going to test. Just look at the meter. So you can see the volts we are getting off of the port, and I just tested it from this connector here and we are getting 5 volts, 4 point something. So that's how you replace your charging port for your a10s or any other phones that you are in a tight spot where you have a lot of small components and you don't want them to drop off by any means. Yeah, we need to clean up using some rubbing alcohol. I can see some solder paste still around, so we just need to clean this up and we're done. Yeah.